Good evening from Mr. Schuler's math class. I welcome you to a presidential debate between former President Donald Trump and current President Joe Biden. The audience here has promised to remain silent. No cheers, boos, or other interruptions except right now as we welcome our participants. President Trump, which equation is equivalent to S equals PH plus 2B when solved for B?
First of all, thank you for having me on this wonderful platform. This question is by far the most difficult question any algebra student will face. Only I can solve it, and so I will show you how it's done. Notice how all the answer choices have the variable B isolated. That means we need to solve for B. To do that, subtract PH from both sides, which results in S minus PH equals 2B. Next, divide both sides of the equation by 2. Now we can clearly see that the answer is obviously A.
Thank you for that clear and concise explanation. Now we move on to the next problem. President Biden, the domain of part of a linear function named R, contains all x values greater than 5. The range contains all y values less than 2. Which graph could represent this part of R?
Well, I really appreciate you having us here. Let me break this one down for you. Since the domain only contains values greater than 5, the graph needs to be to the right of x equals 5. Notice how choices A and C don't meet this requirement. The range contains all values less than 2, so the graph needs to be below y equals 2. This eliminates answer choice D. At this point, I have complete confidence that the correct answer choice is B.
All right, I want to thank you both for a very robust debate, and most importantly, thank you to those watching. Have a great night.